Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and this is the Aerobic platform for home workout by This Step. This was such a great tool to add in my workouts because I wanted to add a little extra difficulty, a little bit of change on my regular workouts, and this helps me to do that. I like to use it to add another level to my push-ups or to add a deficit when I do deadlifts, even to work on my feet speed. So really, this platform is so versatile, so many different exercises I can do with it. This platform is very well made. It's built super strong, it's very sturdy, and I like that the top part of it is not slippery. It comes with two different risers so I can change the height of the platform from 4 to 6 inches. So overall, this platform has been great to add some challenge to my workouts. And that is my point of view.